We are Group 1, 213. Our unifying concept, the next big thing. The theme, your first and only CSI News Team. From California, your anchorman, the Knight, Tony. From Alabama, your weathercaster, the Wolf, Justin. From Michigan, your sportscaster, the Fitness, Raylan. From North Carolina, your journalist, the Shoe, Angela. From Florida, your reporter, the gamer, Nick. From Newberry, your reporter, Charles Troy. From Tennessee, your assistant reporter, the Gator, Nikki. No news team should be reduced this small. It's the CSI News Team and the next big thing, or nothing at all. Enjoy our newscast on the next big thing.
The first computer was built by the University of Pennsylvania during World War II. It was used to help calibrate bomb testings. Much like the internet, the personal computer was a product of war. Computers used to take up entire rooms full of machinery to work, which included thousands of tubes and wires and cables to make it work. Costing at $500,000, the first PC was made. The personal computer was created by two Harvard students in 1975, Bill Gates and Paul G. Allen. Together they created the first programming code and started their own company called Microsoft. In 1977, Steve Jobs and Stephen Wozniak debuted the Apple II computer, which was the first PC to have color and to come with a fully functional keyboard.
Hello everyone, my name is Justin and we will be discussing the history of video games and what we might expect in the future. Since the 1970s, video games have been entertaining the young and the old. But where did video games come from, and how did they evolve into what we see now? In 1958, William A. Higginbotham created a computer that served the sole purpose of allowing people to play the video game Tennis for Two. Tennis for Two is recorded to be the first video game ever to be created. The problem with Tennis for Two is that it was created specifically for an open house event, meaning that players have to line up at a laboratory to be able to play this video game. However, a new invention is created that fixes this problem. In 1972, arcade machines spread to laundromats, skating rinks, and other businesses and hangouts. There's also a different machine for a different video game, therefore players have options, but it doesn't allow for the player to be able to play in their home. Therefore, we have game consoles.
Hello everyone, my name is Raylan McDonald and I'm here to talk to you about the future of touchscreen and how we evolved from using our classic flip phones to the smartphones and then moving on to the touchscreen smartphone and the future keyboards. Smartphones have become very successful in the mobile phone world. It has replaced our small screen flip phones with mobiles that have a large number of features to manage our daily lives.
Video game consoles not only allow players to play video games in their living rooms or bedrooms, but the cartridges or CDs that can be inserted into them allow the players to play multiple video games without having to switch computers. The Kinect for the Xbox 360 was an attachment that allowed players to play video games without the need for a controller. The motion sensor built into the Kinect is what allows this to happen.
Today, Apple and Microsoft are still the main competitors in the PC race, but many innovations have been made since the creation of the first PC. The iPad, iPhone, iPod, the Microsoft Surface now all evolve on the foundations that the PC laid back in 1977. Apple's MacBook, laptops, and iPads have changed the entire PC race with having a state-of-the-art refined user experience and accessibility. Windows is known for its adaptable developer relationship, causing countless others to make PCs that are compatible with the program. HP, Sony, and Dell are some good examples.
The majority of smartphones are now, however, touchscreen. This means that the QWERTY keyboards we are very familiar with are being replaced by a larger screen that is touch sensitive. It is hard getting used to this new transition for many people.
I have a feeling that holographic projectors will replace television screens in the future.
A new kind of keyboard being developed could solve all of the problems with a touch of a button. The haptic keyboard creates bumps on your touchscreen phone that will make it easier to type. The technology referred to as microfluidic panel will replace the top layer of your screen, and it will bubble up a button when you start to type a text message on your phone. However, right now it is still in development to perfect the technology, but should be available for consumers to buy in the near future. For me, this is a very fascinating new topic developed by Tactus, and thank you for watching my presentation.
While PCs, laptops, and tablets are what is popular today, analysts think that their time is coming to an end. According to predictions, the PC of 2019 will take various forms such as watches, rings, and even glasses. The PC of the future will be much smarter than the ones that we are using now. Holographic screens and keyboards are already in conceptual stages, and we will see those in the future for sure. Thanks for watching.